Mairang Presbyterian Science College haka hapoh Tarik Nailur R.Jar R.Plie ryngkat ke jingiatreilang ke Science Department jong ke Synod College Shillong kalayok ban Plie Paidbah no ia ke projek halor ke Waste Management but Waste Segregation haka jingialang ke belapulong hapoh ke hall jong ke college ke bedon haka shnong Mairang Sangshong Eastern West Khasi Hills District. Yakini ke Waste Management and Waste Segregation Project lawan ban Plie Paidbah no do Professor na Kolkata shri sadhan Kumar Ghosh Uba President ke International Society of Waste Management Air and Water haka jingiadon lang Principal ke Synod College Shillong Dr R.Lyngdoh Reverend A.I. Kharshiing President Governing Body Principal ke College Uba R.Thangkhiew kinohikai lembat ki kena school. Yakini ke projek la pli khnang kum shibenta ban ai ke jing hikai shi ki paidbah ban penyaklat ki nyut ki bapot bat ki nyut ki bampot ki bakan thop ru ki kenja plastik ki bala ban recycle ban penon kambyang ki bat ke jing sedang jong ni ke projek kalong ban bo la ke jong ye ki nyut.
In this moment on the inauguration of project work on waste management and waste segregation. So this program was organized by our college in collaboration with the science department of the Synod College. So first of all, we thank God for the student, staff, and non-teaching staff who are here. So at this time also we recognize the presence of the governing board members who are present with us at this time. And also we recognize the presence of the principal of Synod College, Dr. R.Lyngdoh and his team, who are with us in this evening. Dr. Sadhan Kumar Ghosh, who is the principal, president of the International Society on Waste Management, Air and Water. So we welcome each one of us to this program, and to go furthermore, may I request the principal, Shri R.Thangkhiew, to
Mairang Presbyterian Science College, and on behalf of the faculty members and staff of Mairang Presbyterian Science College, and on my personal behalf, I extend my heartiest welcome with a heartfelt gratitude. Graciously taken out time from his very busy schedule. We have heard about him, but he has graciously taken out time to be with us, and not only to be with us, to inaugurate this project work on waste management and waste segregation in the college. It is indeed a momentous occasion for the college. Thank you very much, sir. Not only for your kind presence here, but for sanctioning the project. He has been in contact with me for a number of times, and I welcome him to this auspicious occasion, not only for his presence, but his constant support, guidance in connection with this project, and especially for the realization of the project which we are doing to our Professor Ghosh will inaugurate today. We extend our hearty welcome also to Dr. R.Lyngdoh. He is assistant professor
here in this gathering, and a special welcome to Sir Professor Sadhan Kumar Ghosh, who have come all the way from Kolkata to be here with us. Like as principal of the college Shillong, we feel like we are very happy, like our mentor is here with us. Tomorrow will be in Synod College Shillong, and today the sir is here at Mairang Presbyterian Science College. And I also take this opportunity to welcome each and every one of you who is here today, and also to Dr.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir. I'm very happy coming to this Mairang town. This is my first time, and I am overwhelmed by the reception, by the principal, the president of the governing council, the principal of Synod College, teachers and students and staff of this college. The chairman, Reverend A.I. Kharshiing, President Governing Council, Shri R.Thangkhiew, the principal of this college, Dr. R.Lyngdoh, my friend for quite a long time, the principal Synod College, Dr. Karmaflong, where is she, to implement in reality in this EDC town. I have been working on the waste management since 1999. When I talked to the Pollution Control Board chairman and secretary, that saying no to plastic is not the solution, but survive with plastic and control the use of plastics. That is the main thing. And then a lot of activities, a lot of work. From 2017, I thought that I must do something where the waste management in the country is very, very poor, but which is very essential. That is the Northeast India. The waste management in Northeast India for quite a long time was not looked into very carefully and very effectively. So I was just thinking that how to go about. So we had number of activities in other part of India, like Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh, in West Bengal. But I was searching a right leader for Northeast India, whom I can rely on and whose team will really a good doer. And I found it. Like Dr. R.Lyngdoh was saying that 2019, the first contact lady, she is here, Dr. Karmaflong, she called me on right mail. I could not remember, but she told us, sir, we are planning our program, so we need you. I thought, yeah, sure. Then the curse of COVID came. 2020, she again contacted me. Sir, we'll be fixing the program, and are you ready? I told you, just fix the time in consultation with me and I will try. Then again she told, no sir, we are planning because of problems and other. 2021, then it was finalized, and I was just seeing the message. I have all the messages from it. Then the day comes when I could not come to Shillong, but it was an online program. And I delivered my lecture on circular economy, waste management and other things. But I was keeping in my mind that I have to do something with this college, because for the last 3 years, if the college sustained this desire that we have to hold a program on waste management and they are coming to the reality, so they can do it. Then after the lecture, a mail or message sent to me that, sir, send your bank details so that we can give you a honorarium. So I told no. I'll not send you the bank detail, but I have a proposal. So this will be this honorarium will be a seed money for your college. But you must be interested to install a waste management facility in your college. And then she spoke to the principal immediately agreed. And then I discussed in the governing council of our International Society of Waste Management, Air and Water, that apart from that honorarium of mine, a seed money should be given to this college. So, on 1st December 2021, it was inaugurated. And it was inaugurated, I have given a very big platform to them that we have an international conference on sustainable waste management and circular economy where around 27 countries participated. So we gave them a slot of 10 minutes for that inaugural session. And they made it. They made the inauguration program. I also delivered speech in the online. Dr. R.Lyngdoh is there. Number of people, number of teachers, number of students who enjoyed that program, and it was inaugurated. And from then, every time their teacher, including Karma, she is in touch with me. We are giving the procedure, they are making the procedure, they are giving the. So I got a very competent and dynamic and interested leadership for my project implementation in Northeast Asia, Northeast India. So I request all of you to give a big hand to Dr. R.Lyngdoh and Dr. Karma and their team. Ideas, so they will flourish and our society will flourish. And this will be the services to the nation for the sustainable development, sustainable environment. So in that way, they started talking to, then we decided that we will give, I have already taken the decision in the governing council that we will give grant to 5 schools and colleges. And as a matter of fact, with their endeavor, we could identify Mairang Presbyterian Science College. Nongstin Science College. Science College? Okay. Nongstin Synod College. And there are 2 schools which will be inaugurated on 30th of this month. Now let us come to this college. I am very happy and I must convey my gratitude that the governing council, governing body of this college and the principal, including the teachers, has given the consent and they have shown their interest to install the waste management system. And also the Nongstin Synod College has taken the decision that they will also install it. What is waste management? Why we are interested? You know that the main problem is we are consuming more and more. 20 years back we don't have any mobile. After coming to the school, whenever we go back only, then our parents know that my son and daughter is okay. But today, after reaching the school, Mommy, I reached. After taking the tiffin, Mommy, I have finished the tiffin. Before boarding the bus to go to the school residence, Mommy, I am just boarding the bus. Yes, be safe. It is not necessary. But our desire of consuming materials, consuming system is more and more today. And that is the problem in our society. This mobile, I had the first mobile 22 years back in Kolkata. I used that mobile, the first mobile for 5-6 years. But today, after 1 year or 2 years only, the version is changed. People will say, no, this is old. So, Papa, give me a new mobile. What you are doing? Oh, useless, throw it away. And this throw it away concept bring us to a problematic situation of environment. Throw it away. Chairman Sahab was telling that waste is a problem today. But for me, we have gathered waste, we have been generating waste, but now this waste becomes a scope for us to generate business, to generate employment. You have to look into it in this way, that waste management is a very, very important activity for us to reduce the consumption pattern, to utilize the waste which we are generating from our day-to-day life. It is waste from the kitchen, waste from the market and shopping center, waste from day-to-day activity. We separated this waste into three. Number one, wet waste, WET, which is having moisture and water. So those are all biodegradable. If you put it in the soil, after some time, this will be vanished, but it becomes like principles of Dr R.Lyngdoh was saying, that they are putting this waste into the compost.